Why do you sweat so much? This is the most frequently asked question I get during summer. Actually, I'm curious too. It's hot, but why do I seem to be drenched while others don't seem to feel anything? First, we know that sweat is secreted by sweat glands. When sweat evaporates, it takes away heat from the body. Therefore, sweating is a mechanism to maintain a constant body temperature. So, why do some people sweat more while others sweat less? The main reason lies in the number and development of sweat glands. Each person has approximately 2 to 4 million sweat glands throughout their body, with 75 of them located on the surface of the skin. They are primarily concentrated around the palms, soles, face, and armpits, leading to frequent sweating in these areas. However, due to individual variations in the distribution, quantity, and development of sweat glands, the sweating patterns in different parts of the body can vary among individuals. For example, some people have more sweat glands on their forehead, making them more prone to sweating in that area, which is more noticeable. Others may have well-developed sweat glands in their armpits, and most of their sweat is released from there, which may not be as noticeable. In addition, besides heat, the sympathetic nervous system can also stimulate sweat gland secretion. For example, when you're excited or mentally tense, adrenaline levels rise, which stimulates muscle activity and causes blood vessels to dilate, leading to sweating. Apart from these factors, excessive sweating can also be related to conditions like hyperhidrosis. This condition may be caused by physiological factors. For example, women going through menopause may experience increased sweating and irritability due to changes in hormone levels. Another factor is obesity. Many people may be familiar with the fact that obese individuals tend to be more heat sensitive. This is because they have more subcutaneous fat, which is a poor conductor of heat. The body produces more sweat to better dissipate heat. Additionally, hormonal imbalances can also be a factor. For instance, in the case of hypothyroidism, an increase in thyroid hormone secretion promotes overall metabolism, leading to an accelerated basal metabolic rate. This, in turn, generates more heat within the body. Consequently, the hypothalamus stimulates the sweat glands through the sympathetic nervous system, causing increased sweat production. Then why do some people not sweat much? As mentioned earlier, the main reason is the quantity and development of sweat glands. If you don't sweat much in general, it may be because you naturally have fewer sweat glands or less developed sweat glands. This is considered a normal condition. However, if you usually have a consistent sweating pattern, but notice a decrease in sweating after exercise or during hot weather, that could indicate a problem. It could be related to skin conditions or nerve damage. In such cases, it's best to consult a doctor for advice.